Like, is this really the best duo for the curly girls, or is it just another drugstore brand? What's up, beauties? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Nicole, and on this channel, I do all things how to live a more beautiful life, everything from beauty, wellness, mindset, all the things. So if you are interested in becoming your best self, you just want to live a more beautiful life, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. I do this little series over here called World's Best. So today we are getting into this is Cantu's Avocado Hydrating Conditioner and Shampoo. So this duo is supposed to be the best shampoo and conditioner for the curly girls. So we're going to get into that in today's video. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about what this duo claims to do. Cantu says the Avocado Hydrating line is made to cleanse and moisturize curls without stripping the natural oils. It's formulated with avocado oil, shea butter, and no harsh ingredients like sulfates, silicones, parabens, or mineral oil. It's marketed as a nourishing option, especially for natural curls, coils, and waves. So naturally, I had to try it myself. Now, if you look at the bottles, you can see the shampoo. I haven't used much. The conditioner, almost gone. Conditioner is really the best part, but I have tried the shampoo. We're going to get into both. So first we're going to get into the benefits and how it performs. We're going to start with the shampoo. So I was actually surprised that it gave me a good lather when you're shampooing, which I love, but it didn't leave my hair feeling dry or squeaky. It's really gentle and it's good for wash days when you need a clean scalp without sacrificing the moisture. Okay, then we have the conditioner. Y'all, this conditioner is thick and creamy. It melted right into my curls and had great slip for detangling. As you can see, it's almost gone. I didn't need a ton of product, which is the plus. After rinsing it out, my curls felt super hydrated, soft, and defined, even before I applied any leave-in. And that's a win. All right, now let's get into the ingredients and the curly hair benefits. Let's talk about why it works. The star ingredients in this line are avocado oil, which is rich in healthy fats and vitamins A, D, and E, which help nourish and strengthen curls. Then we have shea butter. It deeply moisturizes, reduces frizz, and seals in hydration. Then we have panthenol, which is a pro vitamin B5. This adds shine, moisture, and helps improve hair elasticity. If you are someone who is dealing with drying, frizz, or breakage, this combo is designed to help your curls bounce back, girl, and feel more manageable. Okay, now my final thoughts on this combo. So is Cantu's Hydrating Avocado Shampoo and Conditioner the world's best shampoo and conditioner for curly girls? It depends. If you're looking for something affordable and accessible that gives you real moisture without weighing down your curls, this is definitely a strong contender. Now, yes, there are other options out there on the market, but they're definitely not going to give you the price of this Cantu. I would definitely recommend it for type 3 and 4 curls that crave hydration. So honestly, y'all, that's my honest review of this line. Like I said, I've primarily used the conditioner. It's done its job. Let me know in the comments section below if you have tried this, if you like it, if you hate it, whatever your thoughts are. If you have tried it, if you're considering trying it, again, if you are on a budget, I've done videos on baddie on a budget. I'll link it if I can remember when I'm editing. But if you are on a budget, girl, and you want something that's going to do the job, keep your curls hydrated, going to give you an easy process when you're detangling your hair, definitely give this a try. I mean, it's budget friendly, so you won't really lose out. It smells really good. And again, I think it does the job. Is it the world's best? I wouldn't say that per se, but it is a great option. One of the best options for the affordable girly who's looking to get the job done. All right. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Check out some of my other hair content, my motivational content, because I'm all about just helping you live a more beautiful life at the end of the day. And that's whether on the inside, the outside, how you look, how you feel, all the things. All right. I will see y'all in my next video.